Day 4 for a golden retriever puppy. The body is quietly transforming. Their digestive system is now learning to process milk more efficiently. Less bloating, more energy. Mom still helps them go to the bathroom by licking their belly and genitals to stimulate them. Yes, that's how it works. This stage is all about forming a routine. Eat, sleep, stay warm. No barking, no walking yet, just growth. But behind the scenes, their immune system is strengthening. Every hour counts. That's why calm, hygiene, and warmth matter more than ever. For more video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.